What's up, boys? Welcome back to another Splatnight video. Okay, so this is kind of weird, but it's his recentest video. Make sure you go check out this video. Link in the description. Anyways, let's get on with it. Not the biggest fan of this, but you know, whatever. What the heck? Why does he have a banana? Also, guys, if you didn't know, this was a skin like back in season 8. Oh, geez, let's go. OG gang, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, these are just weird. Okay, I don't know. These are just really weird. I don't know what's up with them. This is really weird. Not the biggest fan of the henchman noises, but you know, they kind of sound weird. But I don't know if you enjoy them. I don't know. I mean, maybe they're funny for some people, but see you guys. I'm out.